How to fix Snapchat camera not working, easy solutions. Is your Snapchat camera not working? Is it black, blurry, or not opening at all? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix your Snapchat camera problem quickly. Let's get started. First, let's check if Snapchat has camera permissions. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Permissions, and make sure camera is enabled. On iPhone, go to Settings, Snapchat, turn on camera permission. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix the issue. Hold the power button, restart your phone, and then open Snapchat again to see if the camera works. Next, try clearing the Snapchat cache. Open Snapchat, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, scroll down to Clear Cache, and tap Clear All. Then, restart the app. Make sure you're using the latest version of Snapchat. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Snapchat, and tap Update if available. Your phone's software might be outdated. Go to Settings, Software Update, and install any available updates. If none of these solutions work, try uninstalling Snapchat and reinstalling it. This can fix any bugs or corrupted files causing the camera issue. That's it. Your Snapchat camera should be working now. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next one.